Turuda ka na. Nanya lagi ni? Habis na lagi ni. Roki. Ni diretso ya mo ne. Diretso. Vertical. Horizontal. O ini na ilagyo. Nalagyo ni. Wait, listen na ilagyo. Horse. Nani ni? Pael. Pael ya gagalo ne. O ini nani ni? Slanting. Or diagonal. Makanya niya yan. Paslant ne. Paslanting. Oo, kaya rin. Ini na ilagyo. Peka kay, sisave mo. Ting cross babo. King. Yung king chame itong yamo step ne.
Powerful, ya?
Ay masyado. Ini peka powerful. Na ilagyo. Kapartner ng king.
Stroke.
Queen. Yung queen nandiyan na niya. Pwede yung slanting.
Powerful.
Oh, horizontal. Oh, vertical. Diretso. Diretso ne.
Powerful,
Wow. O yan. Then, pag-check ang territory na, pwede yung 2 steps, ne?
Butang run.
And then, pwede yung metong. Pero mama nga niya, paslant. Okay? Okay, shall we start? Mag-start ka na.
Wow.
O, sige, yak pa, ne? Ayan, ikaw.
Nito powerful.
Di ka na ano yung kaya mo. Ay, pa pwede ka mual. Deni parang galo. Deni malati. Pon. Ali, diretso la din. Diretso la, chi. Diretso. Yan. Ali, metong mo. Diretso mo. Makanya Kenny or Kenny. Oh. Yan, ang gamo kanyang Ken. Oh, Kenny yakan to. Stop mo ne. Ako na kanyan. Ako na kanyan tumira. Oh, ayan. Kanang ke. Pepakan me. Pepakanin kain. Na, pepakanin kay Queen. Amo, kakuya kanyan. O, next, sika kanyan. Next. Ali, diretso yam. Ay, Kenya kanyan. Kenya. Wow. Yan. Next, ika. Diretso la din. Diretso la meto step. Ali, diretso. Yaka mamatras. O kanya kanyan. Ali, move me. Kenya kanyan. Diretso. Forward. Gets me? Ayan. Sige. O yan. Kenya pa. O yan. Okay ka. Next.
Hanggang nano.
Ika, nanapuri mo. Ali, diretso la din eh.
Black.
Wow, Ali, diretso. Ali, slant.
Maling direct.
Kenny, forward. Harap. Yan. Oh, next. Na?
Kenny.
Mo, pa-friend mo. Kuya ka mag-decide na. Ano?
They don't draw media attention. They don't spark controversy.
Ika, nanapuri mo kanya.
They just work.
Ika, nano. Deng horse mo, pwede mo lang galo. Deta itang horse, pwede ang galo.
Anong pumili?
Ali, me, naneman apangan. Pa-side yo. Pa-slanting.
Politicians don't shout about Napoleon.
Ali, ha, diretso yan mo yan.
In admitting how dependent
Pantalan mo na
America has
ako.
become on these invisible workers.
Na ako na.
They're not deported because removing them would expose the system's hidden fragility. Number
Maganda ko.
9.
May apangan, pa-slant. You're not listening. Slant makanya niya mamangan. Pakanyan.
US
Slant.
often come through higher education, tech, and professional sectors.
Pwede Ken. Kenya kanya pwede yun.
Won't be deported. They're low risk.
Oh, Kenya kanyan. O, Kenny ka.
Invisible.
Uyak
Most
pa,
Malaysian immigrants come on student or
Yan.
H-1B visas. Many attend
Ika na.
American universities.
Detang horse mo, galaw mo lo.
From there, they transition
O, Renny,
into
pwede
roles
mo
in
lang galaw.
software engineering, research.
Elia yan.
They don't
El.
overstay in large numbers. They don't bring political
Mamaya ka na yung horse mo.
and they don't trigger
El,
immigration crisis.
lagay mo yung horse mo. Kenya kanyan.
Malaysia
Kenny
holds
ka
a
kanyan.
special geopolitical
O,
role.
yako
A
na.
moderate Muslim majority nation,
Oh, next.
friendly to the West,
Ika.
and economically stable. The U.S. sees it as a quiet partner in Southeast Asia,
Pwede Ken.
deporting its citizens on
Pa Elia.
would make
Yung horse mo
zero
pwede ya
strategic
Kenny.
sense. If anything, American companies
Nga lang.
recruit Malaysian
Kanan ke.
tuition
Kanang ke.
Ay,
Welcome their
penganda ko.
skills.
Akbangan.
Politicians.
Kaya namin ka rin.
Number 8, South
O,
Korea.
next.
Ulit.
South Korea isn't
Oh.
just a U.S. ally.
Oh,
It's a
kanan muna
military
ko.
partner, a trade engine, and
Kananda ka.
a cultural powerhouse. And in the year
Kanang ke.
2025, its
Hmm.
citizens enjoy one of
Oh,
the
next,
most
ika na.
stable,
No!
Ka na.
low-risk immigration profiles in the country. Deport them? That would be
Diretso yan, Chi. Forward.
over
Yan.
200,000 South
Ganyan, kanyang
Koreans
black.
living
Kenny.
in the United States, many on
Ganyan.
long-term
O, ya ko na ne.
work or family
Wow.
visas. Korean immigrants are deeply embedded in industries like technology,
Dito ka po.
education,
Oh,
and small
mabsi ko.
business.
Mabsi ko.
Especially in
Next.
cities like Los Angeles, New York, and Atlanta.
Ika na.
Korean-owned
Ika na.
bakeries, skincare shops, and language schools
Kananda
are
ko.
essential
Eh,
threads
mali
in
mamapang.
American urban
May
life.
naman may paslan.
But there's
Puta
another
mama nga niya makanyan.
U.S. foreign
Hindi,
policy.
pwede may kanan.
The United States
Yan.
military
O,
relies on
kanami kanyang
small
Kenny. Ikaw na may
regional
kanyan.
anchor in Asia.
Eh, may kapangan niya. Daddy nila, may kapangan niya, Meto. Kaya kaya ka namin, Kenny.
Politically
Kaya
and
kaya.
militarily.
Ali, ka namin, Ken. Kaya kaya ka
Mass
nan.
deportation.
Ali, me. Queen Kenny, oh. Uya ko na.
Washington can't afford.
Wow.
Add to that the
Kanan
soft
mo.
power.
Kanan
Sa guli, Chi.
Dramas to tech brands.
Pwede
And
yan
South
mga
Korea's
diretso.
image
O,
in
ika.
the United States
Next.
is overwhelmingly positive.
Nanda ka lang
Unlike
para.
immigrants from conflict zones or politically controversial nations, Koreans don't attract suspicion.
Kenya.
They attract admiration.
Ah, mo, metong mo step.
Bangladesh. Bangladesh isn't always in the
Pumunta ka,
spotlight,
Kenny.
but when it comes to the
Kenny,
American
kapunta.
workforce, it plays a
Ikaw,
far
ikaw
bigger
pang
role than
galo.
most people realize. And in the year 2025,
Kenny,
it's exactly that
Kenya.
invisibility,
Wow.
combined with economic necessity, that protects Bangladeshi immigrants from mass
Ah, mo, ikaw pa.
Over
Ang gulo na yun.
300,000
Oh,
Bangladeshis
ikaw.
live in the United States.
Eh, pwedeng mga
the
makanan,
vast
Chi.
majority
Paslan
concentrated
siya.
in New York City, New Jersey, and parts
Ali, eh,
of
pwede
Michigan.
makanyan, mama.
They work in food delivery,
Next.
rideshare,
Kanyan.
Diretso ya kanya na mag-move ka. Kanami,
and
Kenny.
small business.
Kanami, Ken Black.
Informal and service economy.
Yan, okay na kanya.
Many Bangladeshi immigrants arrive
Tala ko,
legally,
Ken.
Hindi
often
ka
through
kanya pwede.
family-sponsored
Bili may
visas
black.
or as
Bili me.
asylum seekers. But
Bili
even
me,
those
ali,
without full
kanya black.
documentation
Diretso
are
ya
often
mo.
overlooked
Gusto.
by
Oh,
enforcement.
kananda ka.
Because deporting them
Eh,
would
nga,
cause
pwede
an
ka nun
immediate
makanyan.
disruption in sectors already desperate
Paslat
for
siya.
labor, especially in urban centers
Kaya
where
ka
they
na.
quietly become essential.
Kanya pwede.
And politically,
Pa-bread
Bangladesh
making.
maintains a neutral,
Loya.
non-threatening relationship with
Iya.
Washington.
Oh, ya ko.
There's no war, no sanctions,
No,
no
not
major diplomatic tension. That means there's no pressure
Yung black,
domestic
punta
or
ko.
foreign, to act aggressively
Yung black.
against its nationals.
Ika number yun. Diretso yan.
Black
Diretso.
yan.
Diretso mo. Ali, diretso, Kenny. Kenny. Oh. Uya ko na. Ah,
Thailand.
No.
Thailand
Yeah, ako na.
may be known for tourism, food, and temples. But in the United
Ako
States,
na.
Thai
Ano, may
immigrants
ka na?
have carved out something far
Eh,
more
pwede
permanent.
mamatras yan.
In the year
Kenny, mo kanyan.
2025,
Oh,
they're
yeah,
not
ako na.
just welcomed, they're quietly protected by a system that relies on their presence far more than it
No,
admits.
Nanda.
With fewer than 300,000 Thai
Ano?
nationals living in the United States,
Ano?
the community is
Eh,
small,
pakan me.
but highly integrated. Many arrive through marriage,
Kapepakan me.
education,
Dinapit
or
ka, linapit.
healthcare,
Oh, next, ika.
wellness, and the
Next, ika na, Chi. Ano, nagyo mo
and
pa.
most live
Nagyo mo
quiet,
pa.
stable lives
Nagyo mo
under the
pa yung
radar
laban.
immigration headlines.
Chi, nagyo mo pa.
Massage clinics,
Okay.
nail salons, and restaurants.
Powerful.
Powerful itang queen. Aliway ni
They
queen.
are cornerstones of
Eh, kaya niya
entire
dapat.
neighborhoods, especially in states like
Ay,
California,
gusto ya ba?
Texas,
Bo.
and Florida. These businesses
Oh,
employ
kaya niya
tens of
kanyan.
thousands of workers,
Nung i-move me,
often
kaya niya
in
mo.
family-run environments. Deporting
Mamaya ka
them
na.
would
Kaya
leave
niya
visible
kanyan.
holes
Kaya niya.
in the economy,
Mapanganya,
ones
Kenny.
no one wants to explain.
May ka na ka rin. Bili me ka rin. Save
Thailand is seen
me.
as a stable
Kasi,
US
nung kaya
partner in
namin,
Southeast
Kenny,
Asia.
kanane
It doesn't
nini.
pose a
Ay,
national
may ka na.
security
Brand me
threat.
ken.
It doesn't
Protect
flood
me.
borders.
O, next.
And
Chi.
it doesn't generate bad headlines. That low profile equals low pressure from
Papakan me
Washington
talaga.
to crack down on its
Mali.
citizens.
O, kalako me. Kanane nini.
Indonesia.
Oh,
Indonesia
next.
is the world's
Hindi,
fourth
pwede
most
may galo.
populous country, Yet in the United
Mutago
States,
kaya?
its immigrant population
Alis,
remains
lanti nga yun eh.
modest,
Baka niya
discreet,
mo.
and deeply strategic.
Ako, eto.
In the year
O
2025,
ka na na.
that combination of
Pwede
quiet
yarin kayo.
contribution
Ayan.
and geopolitical value
Kenya.
Kanang pune.
Kenya.
keeps
Kenya. O,
Indonesian
bili me!
nationals far from any serious threat of deportation.
Anong ke? Siyempre.
No.
Halus ko.
Indonesians
Ah.
Ano talaga? Mga niya ni game. O, ano? O, turan may taro.
Aray.
Okay. O, next, ika, nagyo mo pa. Nano yan? Nakameke? Nakamegasgas.
Ari
Megasgas.
penget da.
Indonesian Christians in particular have been granted asylum over the past 2
Hindi ako
decades.
nito may kayo mo
forming
bitas.
tightly knit
Nina niya bitas nila mo na.
cities like Los Angeles
Ay.
and Philadelphia.
Da ko dem
But there's
para.
also something bigger at play.
Kande.
Meka ka yan.
Indonesia is a crucial
Una, may
partner
tapanulong
in
green.
Washington's Indo-Pacific
Sa Thailand.
plans. It's
Sikat
the
ang drawer,
largest
color
Muslim
green.
majority democracy on Earth, and
Ay, yan,
vital
Thailand.
counterbalance to growing Chinese influence.
O,
The U.S.
US yan?
cannot afford to alienate
Sa tingin
China,
kaya?
and deporting
Aliwa
large
yun,
numbers of
itang,
its citizens
itang
would
balbalin.
send exactly the wrong signal. On the ground, Indonesian immigrants tend to blend